Move on, old boy, and let Mr. Oogie kick it up a notch. Well, 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 what have we here? A trick-or-treater, huh? Oh, I'm really scared. So you're the ones they're talking about. When Mr. Oogie Boogie said, let's trouble close at hand, you'd better pay attention now, cause I'm the Boogie Man. Hey! I say Oogie Boogie! I say Oogie Boogie! I say Oogie Boogie Boogie! I say Oogie Boogie Boogie! Whoa! 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 Cause I'm the Oogie Boogie Man! Oh, yeah! Well, all right! It's so scary! Yeah, yeah!
Why, we've only begun to heat things up. Let's show them just how spirited an All Hallows Eve celebration can really be!
And now I've saved the best for last. The Halloween Scream Along. You're all invited to scream like you're trying to wake the dead.